Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by checking exactly what you carry and why. Open inventory and sort meds into hand, backpack, and trade stacks. Once done, bind one med to a quick-use slot so you can react in combat without fumbling. This saves seconds, which often decide engagements. Make sure to note status effects. Bleeding forces a bandage. Fractures need splints, so you pick the right tool immediately. Use cheap bandages first to stop HP drain, then upgrade to medkits for bigger heals. When engagement begins, act quickly. Apply a bandage the moment bleeding appears to prevent continued HP loss. Once you have cover, swap to a medkit to restore larger health pools. Medkits take longer, so time them behind walls or smoke. Painkillers and stimulants are tactical. Use them to steady recoil and move faster for a push or an escape. Also, stagger your uses so you never get interrupted mid-heal. Learn the use cancel windows, and reposition between applications. Finish every fight by fully stabilizing. Cure bleeding, restore HP, and re-equip your quick-use meds so you're ready for the next engagement. Make sure to conserve expensive meds, save full medkits for critical injury, and use smaller items for minor damage. That economy lets you stay longer on raids. If a medication doesn't work, pause and check bindings, confirm you have the correct item selected, and look for overlapping status effects that block healing. Then reapply after clearing the blocking effect.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.